Welcome to a freezing cold animal kingdom. Today is February 1st, and it is Dinosaur's very last day before it truly becomes extinct. So, we're here today to go one last ride. All day, we've been looking at these wait times. Sorry, I'm freezing. It's been like 240 minutes to 200. It got down to 90, and right now, 80 minutes.
We're going on that river.
Stop pushing me. Make me run
You want to
into
wait
it.
for that, or you want to?
Well, I mean, we can. So I think we're going to do that. Or do we have the red sign? It's just
You see the photo pass line?
yes.
That's not bad.
And then it shut down. I got on the ride. It was for 35 minutes. It was like maybe 20. Because I didn't realize that at first. That was the problem. And then
21 minutes?
one of the you're like,
I don't think I can either. I don't think I'm terrified to turn them on.
crowds of people that are like 6 feet. So, like, their legs are sticking out. You can see their feet, they see them fall like that. And you can see big. So they make me laugh so hard. So no one can pick them up.
Because also, you're supposed to go like flat to help spread your weight out. If you're with the like the oil weight, so you're gonna get dry. Also, you're too big for that.
And he's in a lot.
Not usually. Usually he does usually have that.
Ew! Gross. It's a slam show, so
This shop, it's a recording studio. We didn't want me to go. We didn't know.
right.
And so,
Yeah, there are two Florida box-tailed turtles. We see them. Do you see the centipede? Oh, there it is. Do you see the bird? The ghost crab? Where's the ghost crab? That's a scorpion thing, isn't it? Oh, you see the reptile?
Well, that doesn't.
Where's the reptile? Yeah, they look different.
Snuffed on site was supposed to play at they got
The gar, yes. See the gar. Yeah. And the giant water beetle insect. Yeah, there's a snake. And then there's the guy, he's in the tree. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's several of them. Yeah.
Nick mentions things that, I bet there's one of this one, he's like, you're full of whiny babies that are like, 45 and under. No peas or jellies, technically speaking. No, not this one. This is straight peanut butter. Sometimes they're brown. I know, Alex likes that a lot. I like graham crackers more, no. It's so sweet.
Hello, I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's proprietary. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world where you'll witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See?
Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in. Use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times.
Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong? Hey, it's me again.
Stop.
get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little ones.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver! Left! Right! Left! Right! That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything!
All right, we are back in the car after riding Dinosaur for our very last time. I did not talk a lot at all, if any, while we were in the line, and a lot of people were very loud, very talkative, very loud. I just didn't want to ruin their experience either. But we did see lots of things in the line, in the queue, that for their very last time. And it was neat seeing the fossils and the giant T-Rex in the middle. And when we were in the queue looking at all, like, there's a place in the very front of the line where you can search for different animals up in this little tiny little landscape. And we were looking for them like we've done many times before. And the people behind us were like, I never even knew that was there. You know, because they didn't just go through the line. You don't really, I guess, look around you very much, but there was just little things from the queue that we always like to do while in line, and it was freezing. Our hands are so cold and frozen and numb, but the ride was very fun for our last time. So glad we got to ride it, because we heard other people riding it. It would stop several times in their while they were riding it, but it worked perfectly for us. The whole way through. It was fun, and very glad we got to ride it for our last time. And there's so many rides since we've moved here that we have ridden for the very final time, and I'm very lucky that we were able to ride those. But so excited to see what it's going to turn into for the future. I think this one's going to be Indiana Jones ride. And now the park is closed. It's 8 o'clock and time to go on home. It is very, very cold. And get some dinner, a late dinner too. All right. Thank you so much for watching.